Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Review Palace, where we explore the latest and greatest in the tech world. Today, we have an exciting lineup of Nokia smartphones that you can find on Amazon. From impressive battery life to 5G capabilities, these devices promise a lot. Let's dive into the details. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more information. First up, we have the Nokia G100. This powerhouse supports Verizon, T-Mobile, and AT&T, making it a versatile choice. Running on Android 12, it ensures a smooth and up-to-date user experience. And guess what? It comes unlocked. Moving on to the Nokia G10. Running on Android 11, this unlocked GSM smartphone offers a seamless performance. Whether you're into gaming or productivity, the Nokia G10 is up for the challenge. Next in line is the Nokia G20, another Android 11 device. This unlocked smartphone boasts impressive features. With a focus on delivering a fantastic user experience, the G20 is definitely worth considering. Now let's talk about speed with the Nokia G55G. As the name suggests, it supports 5G, ensuring you stay connected at lightning speed. Running on Android 11 and unlocked, it's a powerhouse in your hands. Stepping up the game, we have the Nokia G405G. This smartphone supports Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile, making it a reliable choice for different carriers. Powered by Android 12, it's future-proof and ready for action. Next, we have the Nokia C21 Plus. Running on Android 11 Go Edition, this unlocked GSM smartphone ensures a smooth experience with a focus on efficiency. Plus, with a 2-day battery life, you can keep going without worry. We have the Nokia C210, compatible with T-Mobile and AT&T. This device is a fantastic entry-level smartphone. If you're on a budget but still looking for a reliable device, the Nokia C210 might just be the one for you. Next in line, we have the Nokia C100. With 32 GB of storage and a stylish blue design, this prepaid smartphone is a great option for those who prefer a straightforward and cost-effective mobile experience. Moving on to the Nokia C200, another budget-friendly choice with 32 GB of storage. Nokia continues to deliver value for money, making sure you have ample space for your apps, photos, and more. Now let's talk about the Nokia C300. This Android 12 powered device is compatible with Verizon, T-Mobile, and AT&T, offering versatility in terms of carriers. It's an excellent option for those who want a more feature-rich experience without breaking the bank. Shifting gears a bit, we have the Nokia C22E, running on Android 11 Go Edition. This edition is designed to provide a smooth performance on more modest hardware, making it an ideal choice for those who prioritize efficiency. We have the Nokia C01 Plus, also running on Android 11 Go Edition. If you're looking for a budget-friendly smartphone with the latest Android updates, this might be the perfect fit for you. Up next, we have the Nokia XR21 5G running on the latest Android 12. This unlocked smartphone is a powerhouse with 5G capabilities. If you're looking for top-notch performance and the latest features, the XR21 5G might be the device for you. Next in line is the Nokia XR25G. This rugged yet stylish smartphone runs on Android 11 and also supports 5G connectivity. Whether you're an outdoor adventurer or simply want a durable device, the XR25G has you covered. Now, let's talk about the Nokia X35G. With a spacious 256GB ROM and 8GB RAM, this dual SIM device ensures you have ample storage and memory for your apps, photos, and multitasking needs. Plus, it supports 5G for lightning-fast connectivity. Shifting gears a bit, we have the Nokia 1.4, running on Android 10 Go Edition. This budget-friendly unlocked smartphone is perfect for those who want a reliable device without breaking the bank. It's an excellent choice for everyday use. And finally, we have the Nokia 3.4, another Android 10 device. This unlocked smartphone offers a sleek design and reliable performance. If you're looking for a mid-range option with a balance of features, the Nokia 3.4 is worth considering. There you have it, folks. 17 incredible Nokia smartphones available on Amazon, each catering to different needs. Whether you prioritize battery life, 5G connectivity, or the latest Android updates, Nokia has you covered. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more information. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech reviews, and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for joining us at Review Palace, and until next time, stay tech savvy.